Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a highly anticipated smartphone that is expected to be released in January or February 2024. The phone is rumored to have a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and a pixel density of 516 ppi. It is expected to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset or a Samsung Exynos 2200 chipset. The phone is rumored to have 8GB of RAM or 5100 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to have a 200MP primary rear camera and 12MP ultra-wide camera and 50MP 5x telephoto sensor. The phone is also expected to have a 48MP periscope telephoto camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have a starting price of $1,199.99 or higher, depending on the storage capacity. The phone is expected to come in different storage options, including 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a highly anticipated smartphone that has not yet been officially announced. However, there have been many rumors and leaks about its specifications. According to the search results, here are some of the expected specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Display: 6.8-inch AMOLED M13 LTPO with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3. RAM: 8GB or 12GB. Internal storage: up to 2TB. Battery capacity: 5000 mAh with 45W. Rear camera: quad camera setup with a 200MP main camera, a 10MP periscope camera with 5x optical zoom, a 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. Front camera: 12MP. Biometrics: ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Design: IP68 water and dust resistance, ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, and a titanium frame. It is important to note that these specifications are based on rumors and leaks and have not been confirmed by Samsung. Therefore, they are subject to change. What are the rumored camera specifications for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? According to the search results, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to have a quad camera setup at the back, with a 200MP main camera, a 10MP periscope camera with 5x optical zoom, a 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. The front camera is expected to be 12MP. What is the expected battery life of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? There are varying reports on the expected battery life of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to have a 5000 mAh battery, which is the same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, reports that Samsung's SDI department is planning to apply a capacity increase to the battery, which could prolong the S24 Ultra battery life without sacrificing interior space. The same source reports that the S23 Ultra already clocks 90 hours of screen on time in their Wi-Fi browsing battery test, so adding 2 more hours to that would catapult the S24 Ultra to the top of the Samsung's pile, beating the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the process. Meanwhile, reports that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's battery has been rated at 4855 mAh, which is the same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, it is worth noting that these are rated capacities and the typical capacity may differ. Overall, it is unclear what the exact battery life of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be, but it is expected to be similar to or slightly better than the Galaxy S23 Ultra.